Hello everyone, welcome back to one more interesting session and you are watching Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School's exclusive class for you. So children, today we are going to learn a very interesting content which is, I'll tell you later. But children, here I am going to show you some objects, some things I am going to show you which goes together. Okay, here some things are there which I am going to show you. Those things always goes together. Okay, like example, what it is? This is a stapler. What it is? This is a stapler. So whenever we want to use this stapler, whenever we need to use this stapler, that time what we need? Along with this stapler, we need these pins. Okay, so without these pins, can we use this stapler? No. Always we need these pins with this stapler. Okay. Next, can you see this paste? And this is a brush. Okay, every day in the morning we brush our teeth. So on brush what we take some amount, some quantity of this paste, right? Then afterwards what we do? We brush our teeth. So with this brush what goes? Always goes this paste together. Next, what it is? This is a mobile. So if we want to use mobile every day 24 hours, that time what we need? We need to charge this mobile, right? We need to charge this mobile. If we didn't charge, then it is going to drain ho jayega, right? So while using this mobile, we need to charge. For that what we needed? This charger. Okay, so mobile and this charger always goes together. Next, this is a mirror. Can you see this mirror? Why we use this mirror? If you want to comb our hair, that time we use this comb and this mirror, right? So directly आप mirror में देख के सिर्फ combing कर सकते हो क्या? No. Whenever we use this mirror, that time we use this comb to comb our hair. So these two things goes together. Next. Now if we drink water, if we are thirsty, that time what we does? We take a glass and we'll take the bottle. So directly हम लोग ऐसे पानी पी सकते हैं क्या? No, in the glass water is not there. So what we does? We take this bottle and a little amount of water we pour in this glass, right? And we drink the water. So along with this glass, what goes? This bottle, water bottle. Yes. Next, what is this? Yes, this is a case. This is a case of speck. So this is a speck. Along with this speck, what goes? This is a case of speck. So these two things goes together, right? Next, while writing, okay, you write with the pencil, right? So while writing, if there is some mistake, or if you want to change your handwriting or the formation of letters or numbers, anything, that time what we does? If we mistake somewhere, then that time we use this eraser to erase that mistake. So along with this pencil, what goes? This eraser. Yes, so these are the together, these are the pair, right? Next, now this is a candle. Okay, so there is a birthday. So on that cake, if we want to put this candle, so that time what we use? Yes, what we use? हमें क्या यूज करना है यहाँ पे फायर ऑन करने के लिए? We use this match box. क्या डायरेक्टली ये ऑन होता है? No, so we use this match box, right? Next, if we want to write something, yes, if we want to write something in this book, so what we use? We use this pen. We can use pencil also, right? So these are the things that goes together. These are the things in a pair. Okay, so children, which content today we are going to learn? That is making pairs. Okay, this is from literacy skill book. So take your literacy skill book and come to page number 6060. So children, I hope you have opened page number 6060. Yes, have you opened this page? Okay. So children, which content we are going to learn today? That is making pairs. Making pairs. जो चीजें हमेशा एक साथ जाने वाली है, that we call as an making pairs. Some things always go together. Some things always go together. माने ऐसी कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो डे टू डे लाइफ में हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं. In a day to day life we use some things, some objects, those goes together, those are in a pair. Okay, ऐसी कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो डे टू डे लाइफ में हमें एक साथ यूज़ करनी होती है. ओके, तो ऐसे ही चीज़ों की हम लोग आज जानकारी लेने वाले हैं. राइट, सो सम थिंग्स ऑलवेज गो टुगेदर. If you will see here children, these are the things that always it goes together. Like example, if we want to drink milk, okay, so milk हम लोग ऐसे हाथ में पीते हैं क्या? Then we use a mug or else cup, right? So milk and mug goes together. Also along with the milk, if you want to add some chocolate, then you can add, right? You add that. So chocolate and milk, these also goes together. And here are some more examples. Table and chair. Can you see this table children? This is a table, this is a table lamp, and here you can see the chair. Okay, if you want to sit for a study or sit a while for just like that. So that time where did you sit? On the table? Then always we need one chair, right? If you are doing study, if you want to do study or if you want to read some books, that time what you need? You need this table to keep that book, and you need chair to sit. Also when you are doing your writing work, that time we need this table and chair, right? Or you stand and directly start writing? No. Always we need table and chair. You sit on that chair and you can write also that time. Okay. Now next picture, table and chair. Okay, this is a table and chair. Next picture, what it is children? Which picture is this? This is a bread and this is a butter. Yes, again we can say bread and jam. Yes. अगेन क्या जाएगा ब्रेड के साथ? ब्रेड एंड टोमेटो सॉस भी जा सकता है, राइट? सो दीज आर इन अ पेयर. विद द टेबल व्हाट गोज? चेयर. विद द ब्रेड व्हाट गोज? बटर और जैम. Yes, also tomato sauce, those who like to eat the bread with the tomato sauce, they can use tomato sauce also. So bread and butter, bread and jam. Yes, and again butter, yeah, butter we have used. Next, can you see this? What it is? Yes, salt and pepper, black pepper. Okay, salt and black pepper are always goes together. Like example, if we are eating sandwich, yes, if we are eating sandwich or dosa, that time what we does? We use this salt and this black pepper. Even though boiled egg, I don't know how many people eat like this, but whenever we are eating boiled egg, so that time what we use? बॉइल्ड एग के ऊपर हम लोग क्या डालते हैं? अ बिट ऑफ लिटिल अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्ट एंड दिस ब्लैक पेपर, देन वी ईट. समटाइम्स वी यूज व्हाट वी कैन कॉल इट, दोज हु आर लाइक दे कैन यूज टोमेटो सॉस ऑल्सो. यस, नाउ नेक्स्ट, salt and pepper. Afterwards, lock and key. Yes, what picture is this? Which picture is this? Lock and key. So children, tell me one thing. If you want to lock our cupboard or our house door, that time directly only this lock we use. Along with this lock, what we need? This key. Yes, so key and lock. Lock and key are in a pair. These always goes together. These two things always goes together. Okay, next picture, pen and paper. Yes, if you want to write something, so we can say here pen or pencil also. Yes, pencil and pen, pen and pencil, these are in a pair. This goes together. हमें अभी कुछ लिखना है तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? Either you will use pencil or pen, right? So these are the things which goes together. Next, fork and spoon. Children, can you see this? This is called fork spoon and this is a normal spoon which we use. Okay, so fork and spoon. Like example, idli vada. Okay, idli vada or dosa or sandwich also, or your pizza also. If you want to eat that, okay, many times हम लोग क्या करते हैं? हम लोग we use our hand, right? But some people are there, they use fork and spoon. Okay, so what we do that time? We cut those things. Okay, हमें जो खाना है वो पहले हम लोग कट करते हैं नाइफ से, उसके बाद we use this fork and this spoon. In a left hand we take this fork and in a right hand we use this normal spoon. So fork and this spoon are always together. These are the pair. Okay, so fork spoon and the fork and spoon, these goes together. Okay, next, shirt and pants. Yes, you can use here short pants also. Okay, and this is a shirt. These are in a pair. Okay, so children, these are the things that goes together. These are the things that in a pair. Okay, so now children, will you repeat after me? Just we are going to read this. Okay, come on. Say making pairs. Repeat after me. Teacher के पीछे बोलना है. Making pairs. Some things always go together. Some things always go together. TABLE, table. Okay, we can read from this. We can read this definition also along with the letters. So repeat after me. SOME, some. THINGS, things. Some things. ALW, AYS, always. GO, go. TO, GE, TH, ER, together. Together. Some things always go together. MAKING, making. MAKING, making. PAIRS, pairs. PAIRS, pairs. Making pairs. Making pairs. Some things always go together. Okay, children, show me your magic fingers. Yes, these are the magic fingers. Okay, so while reading you have to put your finger below that letter. Okay, children. Yes, now say TABLE, table. Read it clearly. Okay, TABLE, table. AND, and CHAIR, chair. CHAIR, chair. Table and chair. Table and chair. Next, BREAD, bread. Bread. BREAD, bread. AND, and BU, double T E R, butter. B U double T E R, butter. Bread, bread and butter, bread and butter, bread and butter. Okay, next, SALT, 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 AND and, PE double PER, paper. PE double PER, paper. Salt and paper, salt and paper. Yes, next, LOCK, 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 AND and, KEY, key, lock and key, lock and key. Yes, next, PEN, pen, AND and, PAPER, paper. Pen and paper, pen and paper. Okay, can you see this? This is a pen and this is a paper. Next, FORK, 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 AND and, SP double ON, spoon, SP double ON, spoon, fork and spoon. Come on, say it loudly. Fork and spoon. Yes? Can you see this? This is a spoke. Sorry, this is a fork and this is a spoon. Yes? Next. SHIRT. 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 AND and, AND and, PAN, TS, pants. PAN, TS, pants. Shirt and pants. Shirt and pants. Okay? Can you see this? This is a shirt and this is a pant. So children, one more time just repeat after me. Table and chair. Table and chair. Bread and butter. Bread and butter. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Lock and key. Lock and key. Pen and paper. Pen and paper. Fork and spoon. Fork and spoon. Shirt and pants. shirt and pants. Yes, so children, these all the things are in pair, these all the things are goes together. Okay, so children, I hope till here you understood. Yes, what we have learned today? We have learned making pairs, making of pairs. The things are goes together. Yes, जो चीज़ें एक साथ जाते हैं उसकी हमने आज जानकारी ली है, वो चीज़ हमने, वो कंटेंट आज हमने सीखा है. सो चिल्ड्रन, आई होप वॉट एवर वी हैव लर्न टुडे यू अंडरस्टूड. Yes, so there are some more content in this content. There are some more examples in this contents which we are going to learn in the next session. Till then, take care. Thank you.